And then this is a oh my. I'm very aware that this is not an original video by any stretch of the imagination, but you know what? I enjoy watching these. I love to see what shows up, and I thought it was about time that I did one. So hilariously, we're gonna take a look at Wish. We're gonna order some tech and gadgets, and it's all gonna be 100% legitimate and not from China. We're gonna drink some tequila, and we're gonna have a good time. So anyone who's not familiar with Wish, I mean, you should be. It's like, everything is discounted. You can pretty much find literally anything on this website. Find some stretch of the imagination, if you can think of it, you can probably find a fake version of it on Wish. So this is just the general. You can see over here in the tab stuff at the top, we've got gadgets. That's what we're looking for. That's for me. And we're gonna start to go through the gadgets. We're gonna fill up some stuff in our basket. There will probably be somewhat of a delay in receiving these things. Like I say, a lot of them come from very strange parts of the world. I would imagine 2, 3, 4, maybe more weeks until we get all of these delivered. But when they do get delivered, we're gonna unbox them together and see what actually shows up. And the first thing I've seen on here is a controller for the Nintendo Switch, which I'm not gonna buy because you know what? I have that one. I know it's not like a legit Switch one. It works pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. £2 for some Apple AirPod things. Wireless Bluetooth earphone, in-ear music earbud set, stereo headset with charging box mic for all smartphones. 7SW, so it's not just for Apple, which is good. I'm an Android man. These are the i7s. Yeah, they look like shit, but you know what? It would be interesting to see something that costs £2, down from 12, what they would actually sound like. Select size, single or twin? Does that mean you just get like one earbud? I'd like 2. If I can have 2 earbuds. Yeah, twin, color. I mean, we could rock that Apple white, but I feel like it's a little obvious. What color is this? Gold? That is, let's just go black. Let's go with a black. Let's buy. And against my better judgment, it's gone into the cart. Let's keep going. I like the GoPro cameras and stuff. I already have, I'm pretty sure I have that one, to be honest, the 4K generic GoPro. I think for everything we add to the basket, we take some Patron. Okay, I gotta have a look at this. 96% off. All of these just seem so hilarious to me. I mean, that is like the Mavic. Fold out arms, selfie copter, gravity sensing operation, smartphone and iPad app control. I'm sure it handles like a dream. For 28 GBP, down from £773. I'm sure it was. I'm sure it was. One key takeoff and landing. Speed control. Select size. There's sizes. There's a... Okay, so we can get like a 480p Wi-Fi camera. Or there's like £6 difference. Why would you not go 200 watt 720p Wi-Fi camera? It's only available in black. Gosh darn it. Okay. Then what is instant offer? Add to cart right now and unlock at a lower price. Okay. What, I have to like empty the cart in? Oh, I've got 54 minutes. Okay. I don't envision us being here that long. It's nice to see they're still selling optical CD drives. What is this? This is not the actual camera, it says on the front, instead of Canon. That's just beautiful. Let's see, 1080p HD video, max 24 megapixels. It can be used as a webcam and has a 16 times optical zoom. I mean, it looks like trash. Really? But I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued by the trash. Package was damaged, but worked so well. I love it so much. Came super quick. Wish everything came this fast. Giggity. The box was damaged, but the camera was in perfect condition. It also came 20 days early. You can trust it's legit because it's sold by Jiang Gang Yef Fengijai.
A few moments later.
Gongsi. Nailed it. Yes, we won it. It's only available in black. Let's add it on. Let's rock out those Wish loyalty points. We get those, right? What else have we been on the lookout for? There's so many fake Mate 20 Pros and S9s and they're everywhere. There's a what looks like a PSP with Donkey Kong and Mario on it. I was unaware that Soulja Boy was selling on Wish now. Good for him. I realised I'm not even following my own instructions. We added stuff to the basket. That was a double shot. I'm not going to buy this, I'm just intrigued. Ultrabook. Low power and 1.4 GHz main frequency MTK processor. That is trash. Gives a powerful heart for the tablet. You said you're an Ultrabook. You are identity confusion. 90% off Christmas projections in February. Seems legit. Bingo. Bingo. Just bingo. I'm not even sure who you're trying to copy. Bingo. It's just a fun word to say. Bingo. The Fun Snap. So it's like a DJI Osmo or the Karma GoPro Karma thing. Yeah, I know my tech. This is a tech channel. Remote control, easy shooting, built-in low power. Bluetooth 4.0 with a single click shooting cool picture. 52 down from 279. I like it. Let's get it. The ultimate creeper's tool of creeping. A secret spy pen, which I don't know if I've ever seen anyone carry a pen like that.
I have a pocket protector.
That's a nice one.
But you've got reset button, mic. It is an actual pen as well. A TF card slot, TF micro SD. I have one of those. You know what? This thing is £5. I'm intrigued. Doesn't even tell me what quality the camera is. How am I supposed to, you know, catch people cheating and uncover government secrets in 480p?
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
You tell me. We'll get gold because we're real fancy up in here. Added. It's like the third time I've done that and there's 5 things in the basket. I'm real inconsistent. You know what? If they didn't cost so much, I'm really intrigued by like these big ass video cameras. Like completely unbranded, just for, oh wait, no, Andoa, Andir. It's a bit too rich for my blood to be scammed out of that much. This is money I'm willing to like never see again. That's how much we're gonna spend and not a penny more. And then this is a oh my, lifelike. Ah, one side is lips and one side is a... Yeah, let's click off this. It's never a serious purchase choice, just educational. You can buy fake PlayStation 3 controllers? But why? Oh my god, an electron microscopy. For all that science we be doing. 129 classic built-in games. You go for it, Soulja Boy, you go for it. Oh, that's not a tripod. Yep, that's a rifle bipod. I'm not looking to end up on any kind of list, thank you. For £7, we have this wireless Bluetooth headphone beanie cap. Is it on both ears? I'm so confused. I'm sold. It finally came, and they sound amazing. Thanks, Wish. I haven't tried yet as Xmas present. Then why would you leave 5-star feedback? For £7, we're gonna go... Oh, you can get the hat and gloves. We're just gonna get the hat. The cap. Bluetooth cap. Or Bluetooth cap. Decisions. Let's go Bluetooth cap. In grey. Loving it. I just highlighted the wire that was. Okay, it's in the basket. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tech products. we were restricted to gadget, but I just want to go on like the general page. I'm pretty sure it's just going to recommend gadget stuff to us now, because that's what we've been looking at. Plus that one. Oh, there it is. The weird vagina thing. Home decor. Home decor. Let's check out some decor. There's some wooden monkeys. Trump toilet paper. Always a handy thing to have. A baby Groot. Just because. Man, I'm having more fun on the home decor one. Found them. Okay, this seems weird, but I legitness saw these when they came up on Facebook, and it got me to go to Wish, and I started looking at it, and I thought it'd be quite cool for like a, because we might move soon, and I thought it'd be quite cool for a backdrop if these actually didn't look like shit, but it's worth finding out. We gotta find out. I think I want dark grey, but every time I click a colour, it doesn't show me what that is. But I don't want pink, blue. This seems to be the only dark grey there. I mean, look, does it look like shit? Yes. Yes, it does. And we gonna find out. For £2. My bad. Added something to the basket. I think that's it. I'm not looking to get scammed out of too much money, if I'm being honest.
A few moments later.
No, Mark, restrain yourself. Okay, let's go to the cart. So we are doing item total £128.40 with £32 shipping, coming to £160.40 VAT excluded. Included? Excluded? Is this going to go up? Let's see what we got. We got our sticky 3D brick wall things. I just wanted those, okay? We got a wireless Bluetooth headphone beanie cap hat thing. The mini creepy spy camera. The fake Osmo. The fake Canon 16 times zoom 16 megapixel professional DSLR camera. All the professionals have it. We've got our fake drone and we've got our fake Apple AirPods. I am going to regret this. Payment. I'll be damned if I'm giving them any of my actual card or anything details. So let's PayPal this shit. Okay, there we go. God damn, my details are all over this screen. Just blur, okay? Blur it all. But there we go. Everything has been purchased. This was a horrible idea and I blame it on Tequila. They say on here delivery time will be about 30 days. From watching some of these videos in the past, I know that to be slightly generous. So however long it takes, I'll wait until all of these appear. We'll accumulate them all, unbox them together, and just see how badly I got screwed. But if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you are desperate to see what actually gets delivered, I recommend you subscribe to the channel for the unboxing. And as always, I shall see you in the next one.